The CRACK-N-TACK Portable Pump provides a cost-effective and flexible way for agencies to start a crack filling program. The cost of repairing cracks with the traditional method of using hot rubberized asphalt can be very expensive and unsafe. The CRACK-N-TACK Portable Pump is designed to fit directly on top of a 55-gallon drum and has the power to dispense products like cold flow pourable crack filler, unique asphalt resurfacer, IntegraSeal asphalt sealer, and unique concrete crack filler. All of these products are offered in 55-gallon drums. Make sure you clean out the machine between product changes, long breaks, after a job is complete, and at the end of the day to prevent the product from clogging the line. The CRACK-N-TACK Portable Pump is small but mighty. Its lighter weight allows it to be easily set in place by one person, requires no electricity, and is self-contained. A user-supplied 30-gallon air compressor is recommended to operate the unit, which is perfect for small crews and very economical. The unit also has quick-change nozzles, allowing you to use the unit for various applications and different products. The adjustable air valve allows for low-volume crack sealing or higher-volume spraying. The unit also cleans up easily with soap and water. However, be sure to dispose of any leftover material and water in accordance with state and local regulations. Also, its compact size does not require a lot of space and storage. There's a reason Unique Paving Materials has the brands to which all others try to compare. For more information about this amazing product, please give us a call today at 800-441-4880 or visit our website you see on the screen.